Welcome, here I've got Honor 20 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it. For now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's move to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on capture settings category. Here we have assistive grid option. So by using this button we can turn on the camera grid lines and turn them off as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera and now we have these lines. As you can see, this is useful for example when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left to the gallery, we can't see them at the photo, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them, we can tap to the right corner once again and use this button to turn them off. So for now, the grid lines have gone in the camera preview. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.